Hi everybody, this is Robbie here from the Web Shack. In this tutorial for e-commerce builder, we're going to go through pages again, but this time we're going to go through more pages settings. Okay, so let me just show you. Let me jump in. So I'm under my pages section here, and I'm just going to scroll down and let's find a page that I'm looking to edit. So let's see about us. So let's say I'm going to edit the about us page. So just click edit. Okay, so in the last tutorials, I showed you how to edit pages and create existing pages and go crazy with this, with this module over here. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you a few other things. So I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom. Over here, let me just see if you need to know. No, you don't need to know any of those yet. So in this page, I'm gonna show you the header. So okay, sorry, I'm getting a bit mixed up on myself. I'm just going to view this page quickly so I can give you an idea of what um, of what um, of what we're working with. Okay, so this header here, let's say I wanted to edit this header, and yeah, let's say that header and some stuff like that. Okay, so let's go back to the page. Let's scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here's my header options. Okay, so basically I can inherit, meaning I just wanted to pick it up, just the general options from theme options. Okay. Over here I can choose how I want the header colors to be, and then open categories from the menu from here as well. So those are just general things you can play with. Page titles. So this is quite an important one because this is basically this section over here. So this is the default one. So you can actually have a default image and so on, which you can see in theme settings. We got a whole lot of tutorials on that, but it's nice to have a default ones every time you have a page and so on. So let me just show you how to edit that. So I go back here. I can either disable it or not. So then this whole section over here will just disappear and you just have your page builder. Or I can upload a page title image. At the moment, it's just the default one, but you can go upload, and let's just find a nice image for the background, like that. Or you could just have a background color, which can be quite nice as well. So instead of having just that image, you could just say, I want a black background. Okay. The text, the color. At the moment, the color is white. You could change it to light, which is white, or dark, which is black. Okay. The page title size at the moment inherit, meaning it's coming from the theme settings, which we have another tutorial on, or you could change it to default small or large. Okay, I'm just going to leave it on inherit. Okay, sidebar position. Okay, so if you have a sidebar on, which is under theme settings, this is where you want the sidebar to be. So a sidebar looks like, let me give you an idea. Sidebars of another tutorial where we add widgets to sidebars. Okay, so take a look at that. So if you like sidebars, then you can add the widgets from that tutorial. Let me find one. Sorry, let me see. Come on, where's one with? Okay, let me just go to another demo. Sort of shows you a sidebar. Okay, so generally you would have a sidebar and a blog. Okay, so sidebar, that's a sidebar. Okay, so sidebars, you can add different widgets and different things, which I'll show you in another tutorial, because we put that in another tutorial because you can add widgets to blogs, you can add widgets to pages, products, and so on. So we just want to put it into one video. Okay, so let's go back to, where is it? Okay, back here. So sidebar, that's which side do you want it? Okay, like that. That's on the right side or whatever. Or you can take it out for this page. Sidebar size. Yeah, that's self-explanatory. And custom sidebar for this page. Don't have to worry about that. You can leave that out. Okay, so that's basically the settings for that page, especially the header. You can change that. Okay, so let's take a look quickly of what we've done. Okay, so I'm going to preview. So always preview before you update, because then you don't have to save over what you have. Okay. So let's see what we've done here. Oh, okay. Let me try update. Okay, sorry. So preview is only for page builder. Okay, it's not for It's not for the extra settings we have at the bottom, okay? Because it's actually a separate module. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've done once it's fully updated, which is fine. I mean, it's quite hard to, you're not going to break the headers and stuff. You can just go back in there and change the settings. Okay, there we go. There's my background image. It's light. That's basically all I did, which is quite awesome. So let me go down to remove the image, for example, and just have a dark background. Update. Just to give you an example to change that. Okay, it's just loading, and then okay, let me refresh again because I've just loaded it. Okay, so because the default is an image, you have to use an image. So like I said, under theme options, you can take a look at a tutorial on that. But basically, I just gave you a basic gist on just playing around with these options at the bottom. Okay. Okay, so in the next tutorial, we're going to go through just these two templates, both of them together, and just how to get that set up if you want a maintenance page and portfolio page. Under theme settings, we've got a whole tutorial on those, but this is just to show you basically how to get those pages on if you want a page like that. Okay, thanks very much for watching.